Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, hit your notification button. Hit your notification button. Well, right now, something going on in Jamaica, dog, and I tell you, one of them fling down the great dog paw. So, yo, me have a good my opinion upon it. Jano, it not really sit down good with me. Countryman, definitely, me have a problem with it. And me have to tell you no my problem. So let's move along. So my people, Jano, me I tell you, the thing it not sit good with me, dog, because we don't see the same dead and then me have the picture of them, but we can't put up the picture, because I don't want YouTube. But when you look on the picture, all you see all you see all you see all you see him like him have him hand up, a straight chest shot, like him not even know saying did I go get shot. But really and truly, other youth have set up himself, dog, because him come out of jail and him don't know say him act certain way and him still make certain alliance with certain people. Yo, him name all calling and shooting about 3 weeks or a month ago. You see what I'm saying? Now, me no know how them police are catch him and catch him off guard, so we have to really dig more deeper into this thing. Yo, this thing is still puzzling because we really no know what him do. You see what I say? Me I wonder if the police them set him up because it's like him have enough link with politician and police, enough connection and him out there enough things. But it's still puzzling to me how him just dead and then you see him in the back of one van. And we want to know where him do, where them catch him, what was the circumstance. We not hear none of them thing there. So that me I try figure out some more of the people them when they hear this, I want to come up with some information, dog. Because even though you a bad boy or whatever, but just it don't sit on good with me. I'm not gonna stop blog about it. But like my friend said, cause my friend there with me now, she there with me. That boy I never need to do them thing. Yeah. You understand? That boy in there with that white Jamaican girl there, Damian Marley's sister. That girl there one white girl. And them have whole heap of money. Cause me see her interview, her uncle own this, her uncle own that. It's like she never go school in her day in her life. But you're a manager for whatever. Me don't know how that work. But I guess them have whole heap of money. So he never need to do that. He could have find himself a business. He could have leave the crowd there. But me don't know where really I go on. Yo, we are here through all the great man. Say the little thing I go on in a mobile. Listen, on a fox, a grapevine. My opinion. You can go know the difference between opinion and facts. The grapevine, them say the thing I go on a mobile the other day. Him have something to do with it. We don't know how true that is. That's what them say, that's how we are going out there. Now him dead left 2 pitney with a rich girl. How much man would I love to date a rich girl? Would I love to have a rich girl like she? You know what I say? Yo, a straight business and enough money would have the money even there in Jamaica. You understand? So me don't know the mindset of them bad boy. That youth here, me not call him broke badness. Cause enough of them out there broke badness. Them like clansman them. Broke bad boy them they are jail, them lie, them not lie or whatever. But that youth here, him shouldn't end up like this. We have to move along. So now, me I examine all of this thing. Now, the youth here, a champion in used to go now, is a bright youth. And I that's how you meet a rich girl here. You understand? Now, he used to do some low level scamming thing. You understand? And enough politician want him do things to enough of them. So enough of them depend him depend them hit list and him depend the gangster them hit list and him depend the police them hit list. I don't know for the love of Jesus Christ why the youth can never chill out. You understand? So, like I say, him did act with the police them, him did act with the gang them, and him act with the politician them. Now, you don't know enough of them police here, them in a gang, in a Jamaica. Cause somebody just tell me something about some of them police here, and I say me have to go vlog about it. When it comes to kids and the police them in Jamaica, that's another story. But, like me say, the youth here, dog paw, when me I look on the picture, me can put up the picture cause me just get the picture. But when me look on the picture, it look like him get shot in the chest. And he never never did a fight back. Now, it look like a setting get set up in my opinion from the grapevine. I just that me I said, this is not a fact. So, my thing is, him should have know how to move better than that. You understand? He never need to go there. So, he's an educated youth in a sixth farm, dog. The man graduate Campion College in a sixth farm and pick up badness. And like me I say, if you ever do badness on certain things, you need to have certain things in place. You can't do badness and I run go back in August Town. No. The people in August Town, we all want to get rid of you too. And you know, people now will come talk what happened because them afraid. Because you don't see how Jamaica move. All the police them say, shoot out, and then kill him, and then throw him in at the back of one truck. Who give the order? Is it Andrew Holiness? Somebody tell me most of the order come down from politicians. The kill order in Jamaica. So all them things that we need to know. Yo, me see this and my blood run cold dog. Me I tell you the ear at the back of my neck stand up. I hope God rest him soul and the youth me no like how him dead even though him a bad boy. It look like a big setup. Him should have smarter than that. Him have a rich cursing girlfriend or baby mother. We have enough money. A Damian Marley sister. A Cindy Great Spear daughter. And yeah, all police not go for she. So I don't know. Police just can't. Me, I always some you that there. Which for rich people them there, big liar and them thing there dog. Me no know. Me a countryman. I just I give my opinion. This look fishy and I don't like it. Yo, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit your notification button. I'm definitely gonna follow this and stay on top of it. Give me your opinion. Countryman, I'm out.